Retro Gaming 2020 here, and this is going to be the last What's Inside Lego set video, is because tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so I got Lego Hidden Inside Boat, got from Fred Meyer and Taggart, and let's see what was inside. Scissors, no, not able to use. Sorry about the finger hurt background. Just ignore that. That's one. 3. Instruction. Sticker. Boat. 2. Is that it? Very good. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to end the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. I want to wish you guys, everyone, stay safe and a happy new year, everyone. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.